Welcome back to Best Crowdfunding Projects. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of archery training right at home with some incredible smart gadgets. If you've ever dreamed of channeling your inner Katniss Everdeen, you're in luck. With the Wonder Fitter, you can transform your living room into your very own archery range. But that's not all. Let's explore some amazing gadgets that will take your archery skills to the next level. First up, we have the Wonder Fitter itself. This innovative device allows you to practice your aim and technique without ever leaving your home. It's perfect for beginners and seasoned archers alike. Plus, it's designed to be safe and easy to use. Next, let's talk about the Archery Coach app. This smart app tracks your performance, provides real-time feedback, and even offers personalized training plans. Imagine having a coach in your pocket, guiding you every step of the way. And don't forget about the Smart Target. This high-tech target connects to your phone and gives you instant feedback on your shots. It's like having a virtual scoreboard that helps you improve with every practice session. So, whether you're looking to hone your skills for fun or aiming for competition, these smart gadgets will make your archery training more effective and enjoyable. Don't forget to check out the Wonder Fitter on Kickstarter and start your journey today. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing